Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby, beautiful natural makeup for short. My name, you can call me Ruby. So today you guys, I have some haul here and I want to show some of them are a bit of beauty and some of them are just hair product. So now I am going to go into this hair product, you guys. I have twist my hair. I color my hair and I twist my hair with these braids, and these braids are so nice, you guys. They are very soft and really nice. So the product that I use to twist my hair, this is the Shine Jam, you guys, with honey extract. So I use this to twist my hair, and this don't really leave like any residue in my hair. It make my hair come out really nice and fine, and it doesn't break my hair. So this is what I use to twist my hair, and this is the color. I go through this really a lot, you guys. This is what I go through to twist my hair, and I go through them really a lot. Okay, so the next one here I am willing to try out, and this is the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treatment, you guys. Is a 1 minute hair mask. Now I am going to try this out. This have avocado extra in it, so I am going to, this says 100 ml, but 100 ml is very small, and it said it's vegan formula. So, and it don't have it don't have no paraben, yeah, no silicone or no artificial coloring. So this is the um Garnier Fructis 1 minute treatment. I'm gonna try this in my hair, and this a 1 minute, but I am not, if I wash my hair and I put this in my hair, when I take out these braid, I'm not gonna like keep it in there for 1 minute. I maybe keep it in for 5 minutes and see how it goes. So this is it, you guys. I am also gonna try this out in my hair. Another thing here, and said I must get the fortifying shampoo, and somebody I asked and they said I can go to the Dollar Tree and get Suave, but because I'm not I don't go to the Dollar Tree in a while, and we don't have Walgreens over here, and so I go to Walmart and I pick this one up, and this one is the Garnier Fructis with AV&V activating food protein self and shine ultra zero silicone fortifying shampoo. So this have vitamin E in it, so I am going to try this out also in my hair. I have one of those Garnier shampoo, the one with the aloe vera, and that shampoo, you guys, like if you really looking for a good shampoo to really clean your hair, that shampoo really clean your hair really nicely. When I say clean your hair, it's clean your hair. And that shampoo is mostly for if you have like built up in your hair, you can use it. So I have the shampoo and the conditioner, and I'm really loving it. So this is the Fortifying, and this is paraben free also, and they say it's frizzy and fine for frizzy and fine hair. So this is something that I am going to also try out in my hair, and I really love the scent of these. They smell so really nice, you guys. And then I also have the condition also in it, and it's the same thing, the fortifying conditioner, and I am also going to try this. This is how the condition look on the top here. Smell really nice. I am also going to try this in my hair and see how it work with my hair, because I don't like, I'm not putting like chemical like in my hair. When I said chemical, I mean some of these products have chemical in it anyway, but I'm talking about like a relaxer. I'm not relaxing my hair or anything. I prefer the way how my hair is. It look nice. I like my hair. It's especially since I color it into the dark color, you guys. I really love it. So this is also the conditioner, and these are not expensive. They really a great affordable price for this conditioner. Now I try, I used this product years ago, but not this one. The one that I always use is a different one, like the garlic one. Try to use the garlic one, but this one here is the Fatica Virgin Olive Oil Deep Conditioner Treatment Matte Nourishing Vatica Oil. And this is something that I picked up, you guys, because I really love these products. Like you have olive oil, almond oil, you have henna in it, and it really a nice conditioner for your hair. And this is the bottle. It's a huge bottle, you guys, really huge bottle. And let's open it and see. Oh wow, I think this one was already open. I have to take it back to Walmart. This one already opened. Somebody opened it, so I have to take it back to them here. I have to take back this to Walmart and get a different bottle, but this is something that I am going to also try in my hair to see. But I have to take back this. This is one of the worst thing when you go to store and people open the product and put it back. So then I have to go back to Walmart and take back this there, because I'm not going to use it with the seal already open and broken. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to take it right back to them and show them that I picked it up there and the seal is open. So the other thing here, you guys, I want to show you, and this is from the beauty side, and this is the Makeup Obsession Pure Bake Topaz baking powder. Now I am wearing this powder today. This is really a nice powder, you guys. It gives you really good highlight underneath the eyes. So this is really a nice powder. So this is not expensive. This is like a small, like $4 something I pay for this. This is it. This is how it stay in here. I like good setting powder. So this is the Makeup Obsession Pure Bake Topaz setting powder, baking powder. So you use this to bake underneath the eyes whenever you do a look. The other thing here, you guys, that I really like, and you know, the other day I went into Walmart and this lady that worked there, she gave me Wet n Wild Eye brow liner, and I went back today and I said, you know what, let me get another one. This is the brown one for your brow, and I also have this one also for my under eye liner. So these are, use the one for the brow. It come in like is a brow pomade or something you use. So this is the really one for the under eye. It's really a dark one for the under eye. And also I also have this. This is from Ruby Kiss. This is a Better Boom Glass, and this is what I'm wearing on my lip today, just a lip gloss. And I love a lip gloss, you know, every time you need to put on lipstick on your lip. And then I also have this, you guys. This is, I know they are out. This is from Wet n Wild. It is the color icon, and I'm wearing the color icon on my eyes today, you guys, so you can see how really beautiful this color is. This is it, and these are really affordable. And then I also got these. I saw them on sale today and I picked this up. This is from Elf. I'm sorry, I bend up my neck like really. Okay, so yeah, this is from Elf. This is an eyeshadow palette from Elf, and I saw they was on sale, so I decided, I don't know, okay, so this is the color, you guys. I love this green and this blue and this purple here. They are pretty nice, and I also love this. So this is something that I am going to try out. And then last but not least, you guys, I picked up this. This is the 2-in-1 BOGO 3D lash. These are flare, like these are so easy to go on, and they look really nice on the eyes. So guys, this is my haul, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you guys, please do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your notification bell that when I upload a video, you can be notified. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.